in the smoking purple haze. Ooh, ooh, and to forget about you. Okay, so the issue was the ear, like, well, I kind of fixed that side, so you see my thick ass sideburns, right? I don't know if I should be mad at myself and my hairline, or should I be pissed off at these people making these wigs and thinking that everybody's hairline is shaped like this, because everybody's hairline ain't. Oh, I've been smoking purple haze. Ooh, ooh, and to forget about you. Let me stop playing. I'm gonna do something with my own edges and my sideburns. I got some edge control. I'm gonna lay that down first, because I just think this shit is so cute like this. Y'all, let me know when this shit becomes a style, because first of all, y'all see it here. I did this shit first. Shevhon Veniece here on my channel on YouTube. Your bitch did it first. Your bitch did it first. That's cute. I'm not gonna be all extra with it. I literally just need for my edges. Oh, that fly is so annoying. I hope y'all don't hear it. Get your ass out. Where the hell you even come from? Don't make me get up and get that swat, boy. Get your ass up. Y'all seen that? Don't make me have to get that fly swat. You better get out. Making all that damn noise. That. Okay, so this is how I do my sideburns, y'all. This is how I do my sideburns, because yes, I do my sideburns. I lay my sideburns down like I lay my edges. I feel like it's more than one fly that came in here. That shit about to... Get your ass away from me! Get out! Damn! Alright. I think I'm fucking crazy. I already know it. I think I'm crazy. Why I can't get the second one to look as the other side look as good as that should be pissing y'all off when you do something so good on one side and then edges are somewhat laid. I got my handy dandy blow dryer, and I'm gonna use some hairspray to hold it down, but I'm not gonna use the hairspray that I think I'm about to use. Alright, because I couldn't find it in the store, so I had to use this. Yo, that fly getting real disrespectful. You seen that thing run up on me? Hell no. Okay, blow dryer is plugged in. Oh, this is the hairspray that I'm using. It's a 48-hour hold, which is true. It's pretty much 48 hours for me. Non-sticky. It's kind of sticky. That's the shit that I've been using. Because like I said, I couldn't find the other one that I've been seeing people use, that I was seeing people use. So this is the one that I had got, and it works just fine. It holds for me. Like I said, I don't like to wear my wigs for like more than like 2 days, honestly. Y'all would just be having this shit in for weeks. Just take that shit out. Go wash your hair. How about that? So it has 8 to 10 hold. So it holds pretty good. It works just fine for me. So let's get into this. Okay, so I got my hairspray and my blow dryer. So what I'm gonna do is actually spray I never did this before. I don't know what told me to do this, but I'm spraying the wig cap. Shit. Open up the window. Oh my god. I can't see. I'm spraying the wig cap. I'm trying not to spray the wig. And I'm gonna put the blow dryer to it. This is on high heat because I ain't got no patience, like I've been saying. No patience. I'm switching from high to cool on the blow dryer, okay? I'm trying to yell over the fucking blow dryer, like. And I don't know what this is gonna do. I don't know why I did it. Something just prompted me to do it, so I did it. All right, now I probably should have put this glue on the wig cap, right? I'm gonna try it. I never did this before. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put this glue on the wig cap. And I'm gonna just use my toothbrush because this is all that I have. Just kind of spread it out. Spread it out. Okay. Go back with the blow dryer. Go back with the blow dryer, but on cool. Is this light helping? right, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put this damn wig on, y'all. I'm tired. I ain't even tired. I'm hot. Makeup looks like it's friggin' coming off. I'm gonna turn this light off. I don't like that. Natural, you know? But anyways. We are just going to put it on. Right? Check it out. Make sure you know this is where you actually want it to be. Okay? So now we're gonna pull back a little bit. We're gonna take this hairspray. And it dripping all down my head. So I'm gonna use the toothbrush. Yo, this video is fucking ratchet. And then set it here. You see that mother fly being so disrespectful. Alright, that's one side that's pretty much set. So, get the fuck about me, That's one side. Let's do this other side. Yeah, you're annoying. Wait till I'm done with this wig. I'm gonna go get that fly spot, shorty, and it's over for you. All right. Alright, I'm done with this shit.
Oh, look real good. You go, girl. I'm gonna get me a wig so you can do me one.
Alright, I'm done, y'all.
Wait, you made that shirt?
Yeah.
You go, girl. Look at your mama. Okay?
Alright, I'm done. You seen that fly?
Hmm?
I'm about to go kill it right now. So far, so good with the wig. My first impression, you know, it's soft. It's a good length.
That's a nice
you know, I like the lace, the fact that it's like transparent. But I didn't like the way it was. I fixed it, so it don't even matter. But it's shedding a little bit, so I'm gonna come back in like a week and see how it's doing. I haven't washed it yet, but once I wash it, we're gonna see again. All right, so
okay. She done.
I'm done.
Okay. What's up, Lala? Where can I find this shit?